Hey, what's up? My name is Kenneth and you're watching Boss Your Money. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my personal Sarva account and show you exactly where I stand, whether I've made profits, whether I've made losses. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about the Sarva platform and my journey on Sarva. Let's get straight into it. So as you can straight away see, my portfolio balance stands at $5,040.79. All of these figures are in USD. You can also see that I've earned a total return of 12.33% during the course of my investment with Sarva. You can also see on the dashboard exactly where your funds are allocated. If you're not too familiar with Sarva and if you haven't seen my previous videos on Sarva, then Sarva is very simple in the way it works. All you need to do is set up the account. You put in your email ID, phone number, put in your verification documents, and once you're done with all of that, they will ask you a series of questions that allows them and their system to figure out what kind of risk threshold is right for you. As soon as they've done that, it's an immediate process, it's an instant process. As soon as that is done, they will then be able to figure out for themselves what are the right kind of investments for you. Once that part is done by you, there is nothing else to be done from your end. Platform will automatically invest your funds into the relevant asset classes, and so it doesn't require you to do anything else at all. My risk threshold is actually a 4 out of 6, and what that gets me is 33.6% of my funds have been allocated into VTI US stocks, 27.3% of my funds have been allocated to IEFA developed market stocks, 8.8% in VWO, which is emerging market stocks, and so on, as you can see on your screen. You can also see that some of them are performing and some of them are not performing, and that's where risk levels come in. I will show you charts that show you the performance levels, but these are completely based on the market movements. If the market is performing, you're going to be making money, and if the market is on a downtrend, you are going to be facing that same downtrend. So keep that in mind. These are not some get rich quick schemes that are not based on real world scenarios. You have to keep that in mind. Anyone who tells you that there is a guaranteed return of 30%, please do not trust them in most cases. It is not going to work that way. Now, another very important thing to note is that even if some of these asset classes that they've invested in gives you dividends, if there are dividend yields on those investments, those dividends are automatically credited into your Sarva account, and then those dividends are also reinvested so that you accelerate your growth. So if you see my growth, my returns, a portion of those returns are actually from dividend receipts. So I've received dividend and then Sarva's invested that as well. Now let's move into the past performance tab, where you can actually see the movement in my account. So as you can see, on the 28th of June, my portfolio balance was 4,185, which went up to 4,189 on 29th. It dropped dramatically to 4,177 on the 30th. And that's because the market actually dipped on that day. But then if you see on the 1st of July, it went back up to 4186 and then to 4202 on the 5th of July. And I'll also show you the monthly graph where you can see the little dip right there, but then it goes back up and it's quite steady thereon. But if you see my yearly graph, that's going to really show you what I believe in this platform. These huge spikes that you see, those are my deposits. That's when I've put in money into the platform. And once you deposit, it can go down from there, but then eventually it's going to go up. So if you see here, after I deposited, I had 3129. At the end of it, I had 3184. So there is a growth, even though there is quite a significant drop right here. And every single one of these spikes, as I said, is me depositing money. So from 3184, it's gone up to 4191. From 2733, it's gone up to 3129. From 1667, it's gone up to 2619, and so on. So these are my deposits into the platform. So as you can see, I completely believe in this platform, which is why I personally deposit my own funds into the platform very regularly, and I encourage you to do so as well. If you haven't registered yet, please use the link in the description below so that you will receive $50 as soon as you deposit your first minimum requirement of $500. Hey guys, just wanted to bring you a really quick update. While I was editing this video, Sarva released a brand new update to their platform, and you no longer need to deposit a minimum of $500 to get started. You can start with as little as $5 and nothing else changes on the platform. So you still get the $50 referral bonus once you sign up with the link in the description below. So that's a great Kickstarter for you to get started with your Sarva journey. So if you have any further questions on how Sarva works or anything like that, please watch my previous videos on Sarva, and if you still have unanswered questions, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely get around to getting you the answers to those questions. If you want to learn a little bit more about Sarva, click here, or if you're thinking about investing with eToro or Sarva, picking one of those two, click here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.